What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, and today I'm going to share my first experience trading on pumpfun. I never downloaded pumpfun before. I got it on my phone, and after years of being in the crypto market, I got in 2019. I thought Memecoin trading was dumb. I'm having the funnest ever since like 2021, guys. Like, honestly, if you thought bad about Memecoin trading or pumpfun, download the app right now. Use the link, download the app. I'm going to share my honest first time using the app and Memecoin trading. Basically, I did a ton of trades, and what's insane, my first day on pumpfun, this dev created a coin for me because I decided to put out a call out, and a call out is basically a new feature that pumpfun just added, where you can basically buy a coin, do like a tweet on the app, right? It's like a post, and if someone clicks on that, you basically get a percentage. That's why it's a call out. But I'm going to share here my experience here. As you guys can see, 92 bucks on my first day. Okay. And I never Memecoin traded before. And what's crazy is I actually started with 500 bucks. So I sent 500 bucks to my pumpfun account. And the reason why I got 933 is because, like I said, they created a meme coin out of me called, you won't guess it. Okay. It's the Noob Bull. Noob. Okay, and this is still active, and this went up to 20K market cap, as you guys can see right here. 20K, absolutely insane. And I believe I get the fees. So based on people trading this, I got the fees. But you can see how high this coin went up, and you can see a lot of people commenting. It's super active community. It's just so fun, guys. Like, I never had this amount of fun in crypto. Again, like I said, since 2021, and you know, a lot of you guys might think bad about Memecoin trading, but you just got to have fun. You can't take it too seriously, and you can't be putting in a ton of money in each trade. Like, I'll share here towards the end my experience, my strategy, basically what I've been doing, and how I've been able to profit literally on my first day. And I'll share some of my trades here, right? Like, for example, my close trades. This is biggest by P&L. I just had one right now. It was like 14 bucks, 19. So like, this might not seem like a lot, right? Like 10 bucks, 11 bucks. But I'm telling you guys, like, if you're a beginner like me, you want to start with small trades. Like, each trade to me is like a journey, like a story. And I learn a lot from each trade. And it doesn't matter how much it is. What matters is, am I consistent on profiting? If I'm being consistent profiting, then I can increase my trade amount every single day. Okay, so that's what, because a lot of people get into pumpfun or Memecoin trading in general, and they'll have like a $200 account or something, and they'll do like a $50 trade, lose those 50 bucks, and then just quit. Like, you don't want to have that attitude. Like, when I started, I started $5, $10 trades, max $10, and when I was really confident, I did like 30 bucks. Okay, so that's really the attitude you want to have, especially if you're a beginner. And in a way, I'm kind of not like a beginner because I got into crypto in 2019, and I have been trading since then, but I never got into Memecoin trading. Like, Memecoin trading is a whole other different game. You look more at the market cap, more volume, price action, and narrative, right? It's completely different from like regular trading or even leverage trading with like higher caps in the crypto market. So it's like a whole other ballpark. Okay. But again, even especially if you're new to trading in general, you want to start out slow. $5 trades, right? Doesn't matter, right? Like, look at all these wins here, like $1, but I'm trying to get consistent, okay? Because this could be $1,000 trade and make like 20 bucks, 100 bucks in the future, right? So you can see right here, and the guys, also follow me on here. Follow me on pumpfun. I also have an X. Follow me on there as well. What's great, like I said, is now on pumpfun, you can do call outs. So like, when I buy a coin and you're following me, you'll get like a notification basically, and you can decide to buy that or not, right? Just be careful copy trading me or anyone else. Again, just, you want to be careful with copy trading. Don't put in a ton amount, like I said. Okay, what's cool too is about pumpfun, it might seem kind of overwhelming. It's a lot simpler on your phone. Like I said, I have it on my phone. But at first, what I recommend to guys is like at first follow like these top traders, and you can do that just by simply even going to like my profile. I follow a couple top traders. You just go here to my following list, and you can see, look, some of them right here are the top traders, and you can follow them, and you can just see what they're buying, right? And do some copy trades here and there, and just get used to trading. But again, start with a low amount. All right, and once you get the hang of it, you don't have to understand all this in just one day. You just start it slowly, understand how the top traders are trading, and then what you can do too is there's a terminal right here on the desktop. It's called Terminal, and this is a great website where you can look even deeper, right, and researching each coins with more filters. And filters are going to be very important. And look, I'm going to make more videos in the future showing my experience going on and giving you guys here tips on what I'm doing, setting up filters and everything, so you can take out a lot of these coins, because like 99% of them are all gonna rug, right, are all gonna be bad, and you want to kind of filter out all the bad ones. So I'm gonna be making more videos on that. So if you're new to me, follow, of course. And again, I'm gonna keep sharing my experience. I mean, this coin's been insane. So you can see right here, if you go on CT, right, crypto Twitter. So yeah, this was my first call out on pumpfun. I put just bought, like I didn't even have my official profile picture. I just put just bought my first coin 13 hours ago. I was up $5. Okay. And then Hash Burgers, which is, he's one of the top traders actually that I follow. If you go right here, you can follow him too. If you just go to my following list, right, he's right here. He has a ton. He has like over like basically 20K followers. He tweeted this out. He said, "Pumpfun isn't onboarding retail." Oh, really? So he tweeted that out, and you know, Dev created a meme coin after me, basically after me, and you can see that the profile pic for the meme coin, it literally has my profile pic with a bull, and it's called a new bull. So I guess I'm a noob, right, being my first day. But I mean, there was so many people talking about it, tweeting about it. It was absolutely hilarious. But again, guys, this is so fun. Pumpfun is so fun. You just gotta have a different approach to it. Don't just be gambling all of your money. You want to take it slow. Again, each trade gives you more experience. So if you just do like 3 big trades and lose it all, you're probably gonna quit, right? You want to have the approach, like I said, do small trades, because each trade you're gonna learn from it. Okay, and don't just mindlessly put in a trade for no reason. You want to have a reason why. But again, you know, my type of style, everyone has a type of style. My type of style is more natural, looking at the chart, price action, because I'm taking a lot from what I learned since over the years of regular trading, and I'm applying it to Memecoin trading. But again, this is a whole other different type of trading, guys. It's not the same. So, okay, I'll keep you guys updated. I'll make more videos. Love you guys, and follow for more. Follow me on pumpfun and on crypto, on Twitter, crypto Twitter. Just search Sir Lewis. All right. Love you guys. Peace.